Welcome to Coding Scientist. Creating an LLM from scratch is an intricate yet immensely rewarding process. By understanding and building upon the transformer architecture with TensorFlow and Keras, and leveraging transfer learning through Hugging Face, you can create a model that's not just a powerful NLP tool but a reflection of your unique approach to understanding language. In this series of video tutorial Building LLM Transformer, I will walk you through step-by-step instructions to build your Transformer LLM model from scratch to code to setting up the environment complete end-to-end followed by various mini-projects. As you continue on this journey, remember that the field of NLP is ever-evolving, and there's always more to learn and explore. Happy modeling! Stay tuned and keep learning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel www.codingscientist.com.